Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a part 2 of the
farming tips and tricks.
Yes. So I'm going to be evil.
And I'm gonna be an angel.
You don't have a halo though. Every time I say that word, she screams because she's been here since day one of and she still hasn't gotten one. So she's kind of, So you're back from outer space. I just walked in front of you and I said, look on your face. I stole the nights, thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I learned how to get along, so now we're back from outer space. Okay, so anyway, the first tip is to go to not Royal High. Well, you have to get into the game. You have to go to Sunset Island and then do a couple rounds, and yeah, that's a good thing. And another thing is that you really want to get the multipliers and the faster fly. Alright, so we're gonna let Moon talk for a little bit because I've been talking.
So basically, the faster flying helps because in Royal High School there's this art ring glitch, and it gives you a bunch of diamonds.
Yes, and yes. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna put this demon dragon tail on because that's kind of like evil. And then maybe we could put the crystal ball out. Like it's doing something. And then let's just take off the I like my face. It's beautiful. So now you're back. Okay, so in our last video, we explained how to do it in a private server, and that was pretty good. But now we are explaining how to do it in a public server. So some things that you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to your apartment, collect your daily reward, sleep, and do all that stuff. Then you just want to go to Earth, collect diamonds around the map. Okay guys, we're gonna take a short break and be right back. Okay, so we just had to stop real quick because someone came into the room. So anyways, let's get back, and you're just gonna want to collect diamonds around the map, do the wheel, and do the fountain. You go to Royal High where there's the glitch like Moon explained. And yeah, pretty much everything. But
yes, we will be coming out with more things on how to farm with the Valentine's Day. One thing we already can tell is play the Cupid's archery game, PvP game a lot.
yes.
Because we were looking at leaks and we found out that you earn diamonds.
Yes, we've been looking at a lot of leaks so far because we just can't wait for the Valentine's Day. And it's either coming today or during the week.
Yeah. And we'll record whenever we have the time to when it's out. And we'll be doing a full-on tour at the beginning, and then we'll be showing how to farm stuff.
Okay, so we are probably going to just, hang out here, just go around the map and go collect some diamonds. Because in Sunset Island, you also know that there's diamonds, but there's seashells.
Yes.
So this is
Here.
Johnny.
Here, come, let me show them something. I got stuck. Wait for me. So you know, you go down that path, right?
Hold on, you're going too fast.
Look, it's stuck. This is going to be really helpful for the viewers. So if you come here,
Oh. It shows you.
How much the dinosaur worth.
Oh.
You're too thick.
No, I got through. You're too thick.
No, I don't. It shows you how much they're worth. Except they're different for me and Ari because we have the multipliers.
Yes. So for example, the 20 for me is 40. The 3 for me is 6. The 2 for me is 4, and the 1 for me is 2. Come on. There. Alright. And also, I'm going to show you guys some good hiding spots.
Yeah, I found this really good one underwater, right?
Yeah.
I'm showing them the one I found underwater.
I'm showing them the underneath. And we'll go to the top.
Yeah, I found the underneath spot.
And then everybody always knows about the top.
Yeah, that's why we most recommend the underneath spot.
So under here is like a little small space, but it's underneath the water, so nobody will find you because look, on top here, because when you get to the water,
And if you obviously see someone coming close to you, all you need to do is run because there's so much space.
yeah, and then this is this one. And this is where we usually hide, but I also have another hiding spot that I will show you in the next round. So, see you at voting. Okay, guys, we're back. I just wanted to tell you that I got some more natural light, so now this lighting spot. And we are at questions right now, so we'll see.
It is that I forgot to sign up.
Yeah, she forgot to sign up for the pageant. She spent a long time on her outfit.
But oh well.
She always has next time. She could save it. Well, see you at voting. Breaking news! We have
More
some.
of a giveaway. We're now going to give away some of the Valentine's Day accessories, but we're still giving away the 2 accounts.
Yeah, we're giving away 2 accounts for free on really high levels. So, yeah. Okay. We're gonna go see you at voting. Bye. Okay, guys, we're back and it's voting time, and I'm just gonna vote for this girl over here. Which hashtag.
And I voted for Ari, of course. She's my friend.
I would, of course, vote for Moon, but
You know, you can call me Jan.
well, I would of course vote for Jan. But yeah.
I signed up for the pageant.
Alright, third place is Miss Tessa. Tessa Gaming.
241. Second place winning 600 diamonds. Congratulations,
Miss Valentine.
3 games, 2011.
In first place, winning the grand prize of 1,000 diamonds, Miss Hatcher.
Is that who you voted?
Yes! What? Are you serious? Okay, guys, we have some tea that Moon wants to spill.
That with the my teddy bear, you can make it low.
If it glows, then how do you make it glow?
Look, hold it.
Oh, Maya. No. I keep getting you mixed up with Maya. I literally keep thinking that I'm on the phone with Maya. I said I keep thinking that I'm on the phone with Maya.
Alright, look. Let me spill the tea on how you make your berry luck. First, I need to get it out. So you go to the 600 colors palette. It's in the second row in A down. Oh, 7 over 8 down.
8 down, 7 over?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Mine's glowing.
Mine's not.
Huh?
Mine's not. Whoa there! How did you do that?
Look, I'll show you. So, let me show you. Here, so go to the 600 colors palette.
Yes.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I can't see anything.
So, 1, 2,
You're
3.
showing me your wall.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8 down. Oh,
Why palette? It's the opposite.
yeah. So 7.
7 at the top and then go down.
How did you make your other colors go?
You have to go to the infinite colors palette.
I am.
And when you're in the infinite colors palette, just have fun. It's colors. It just doesn't work with brown. Some colors it goes away.
Oh my god. I want to make a pink glowing teddy bear.
And for brown.
Why is it yellow? No, it's a red. Ooh, it's purple.
Oh my gosh, you're just having so much fun with it.
Okay, that's like pinkish. Let's just make this. Okay, guys, so tea spilled. And who's the credit from?
Cybernova.
Cybernova gets the credit because we found it from Cybernova.
All the credit goes to her.
Because we're not the ones who found it, she's the one who found it. But guys, that was the tea spilling for today because we're running out of time. So
And remember, we're doing a giveaway for 2 times of Valentine's Day accessories.
see you guys next time. Love you, bears. Bye.